Welcome to Testpassport.com. In this video, I will share real IBM C1000-031 questions and answers with you. 1. Where should adapter configurations be validated before adding or rearranging adapters on a Power Enterprise server? A. System Planning Tool. B. System SSIC. C. System HMC D. System Rack Configuration. Answer: A. 2. Which of the following is true for systems virtualized with PowerVM? A. Adapters can be dedicated to LPARs. B. LPARs require virtual adapters. C. LPARs require shared memory. D. Cores must be shared between LPARs. Answer: B. 3. A customer wants to virtualize their storage environment and would like to use NPIV. Where will the storage multipathing software run? A. VIOS. B. Storage controller. C. Power hypervisor. D. Client LPAR. Answer: A. 4. Amongst which architectures can virtual machines be moved with live partition mobility (LPM)? A. POWER9, POWER8, POWER7, POWER7+. B. POWER9, POWER8, POWER7, POWER6. C. POWER9, POWER8, POWER7, POWER6+. D. POWER9, POWER8, POWER7+, POWER6+. Answer: B. 5. Which capability is used to reallocate memory capacity from one LPAR to another? A. Live partition mobility. B. Active memory expansion. C. Dynamic logical partitioning. D. Active memory mirroring. Answer: C. 6. Which Ethernet virtualization technique supports live partition mobility on POWER9? A. vSwitch. B. Standalone SR-IOV without VIOS. C. Proxy ARP D. C. Answer: A. 7. Which of the following statements is true regarding Power Enterprise pools? A. The XML configuration file can be downloaded from the My Entitled Systems Support website. B.One Enterprise pool can contain the following machine types: Power Systems E870, E870C, E880, E880C, and E980. C. Mobile activations can be moved within a pool at any time, without contacting IBM. D. A minimum of 75% of a system's memory activation can be mobile. Answer: C. 8. Which of the following statements is true regarding Dynamic Logical Partitioning DLPAR? A. In a disaster it will immediately move active LPARs from a local system to a remote system, over the network with only a pause in service. B. In a disaster, it will immediately move active LPARs from a local system to another local system, using a common SAN, with only a pause in service. C. It enables the relocation of resources such as CPU and memory between LPARs as required, without an interruption in service. D. It will automatically allocate an unlicensed processor to an LPAR to replace one that has reached the threshold for errors. Answer, D. 9. A customer is comparing a Power Systems solution with an x86 solution for big data analytics. Which no-charge IBM analysis is available to justify the value of IBM Power Servers compared to x86 solutions? A. IT Economics Study, Eagle Study. B. Performance Navigator. C. System Planning Tool. D. Workload Estimator. Answer, D. 10. Which IBM Power Systems software provides network firewall services with the local virtualized server to control network traffic between LPARs? A. PowerSC. B. Trusted X. C. POWERVC. D. Trusted Surveyor. Answer, A.